I just made money on TikTok. Stay tuned to find out how and how much I made. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Obviously, we're going to talk about TikTok. Not sure if any of you are real familiar with TikTok, but let's first take a look at what kind of a company TikTok is, what they do, before I tell you how and how much I made on TikTok. So TikTok is a video sharing social networking service owned by ByteDance, which is a Beijing company, Beijing obviously in China, so this is a Chinese company. So the funny thing about this company, because there is some controversy with it, it is a company that operates in Asia, but it actually does not operate in China. And in October of 2018, it was the most downloaded app in the US, and it was the first Chinese app to achieve this. As of 2018, it is available in 150 markets and in 75 languages. By February of 2019, so just over a year ago, TikTok had over 1 billion downloads globally. So 1 billion times the app had been downloaded throughout the world. Just to put this in perspective, it had more downloads than Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. So if you're not sure how it all works, you can create these very short videos, couple second longs up to a minute long, just either their little skits, their dances to songs, really whatever you want to do. It's in a certain video format, and that's what it's all about. It's really focused on video. A lot of the content that you can find consists of, trends, memes. It can also be lip-synced songs, just comedy videos. Since giving it a try here in 2020, I've been connected with a couple quote-unquote TikTokers, and so here's a little clip of 3 different TikTokers that have really expanded and have really grown their brand and what they're trying to do, the message they're trying to get across, or just having some fun with it.
Pleasure.
Oh, wait. I have one more question for you. Maddie thinks you're cute. Would you go on a date with him?
No.
Oh, remember, you work for Chick-fil-A.
It would be my pleasure.
Dude, I told you, man. It's worked.
Four ways to win with money. Live on less than you make. Live on a plan. Get out of debt. Save and invest. Just want to say thank you to those 3 TikTokers for letting me share their content on this video. I did get approval from each of them, and I really appreciate that. As you might believe, or you might already know, there's something people strive for, to be TikTok famous. Because of the ability to grow more rapidly than other social media platforms, there are some people that have really, gained millions of followers within a couple weeks, months, because of one short video that went viral. Without going into super detail, I'll let you look into it yourself. There have been some concerns with TikTok, some being privacy, cyberbullying, addiction concerns, national security concerns, censorship concerns. So there have been a lot of issues, and there still are a lot of concerns out there with how this company is being ran and the rules, because obviously it is a company that is based out of China. Currently, TikTok is not monetized like YouTube. There's no where TikTok's paying the creators for the videos that they're producing. Rather, companies might be paying these individuals who have a large following to wear certain clothes, or it just might be sponsored videos that they end up doing. But right now, that's how a lot of these TikTokers are doing well and making a living out of it. So that kind of leads me to where we are now, and you might be wondering, how did I make money off of TikTok? So I tried a little affiliate marketing, and I've grown the channel. I only started being on TikTok for, about almost 2 months, not quite that, and it's grown to over 2,500 followers. And so because of that, I decided to try affiliate marketing. And if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, that's taking a product or taking something and explaining why it works for you, and hopefully encouraging another individual to sign up with that product. And so we tried that with a product, and it actually worked out really well. Within 3 days, I made $65. So $65 really isn't that big of a deal, but I did just think it was kind of cool that in such a short amount of time I was able to create another little side income for the month. For me, that wasn't necessarily $65 in cash, but it's 65,000 points, which equals enough for $65 worth of gift cards. And it's really gift cards, of a large variety of places, so it's as good as cash. So looking into the future, I think I will potentially look into some more affiliate marketing, but really I think my goal right now is to just continue to grow the channel and use TikTok as a device to hopefully draw more of an audience over to Instagram and YouTube. So we'll see where that goes. Like I said, if this doesn't work out, it's not really a big deal. I just enjoy talking about this stuff, hopefully being informative to you and giving you some ideas as well. And once again, I'd love to hear what you think about TikTok, if you use it just for fun, because it is addicting, and you just got to be careful when you're on there. And if you're not careful, you can really waste a lot of your time with just watching really things that aren't really that important. But that's really up to you, and you can manage your own time. I'm just about to wrap up. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button. As I always say, sorry if I'm annoying. Don't forget to subscribe. Please, that really means a lot. And remember, it's that simple. I'll see you next time.